All right, guys. So a friend of mine reached out to me and asked me to actually teach him how to create a YouTube channel. All right, and also I have had one or two family members trying to, go into content creating, and they are wondering how to actually create a YouTube channel. But today, I'm going to be teaching you guys or doing a video precisely on how to create a YouTube channel perfectly. All right, how to create a YouTube channel perfectly in a way that you optimize your account the way you start getting views immediately you start posting. Okay, now before we dive into this video, for those of you who are coming into content creating, I need to make you guys understand that becoming a YouTuber or becoming a content creator is not something that you think you can start getting the result immediately. All right, fine, you can start up and then you make results. For some persons, getting to the threshold of getting monetization on YouTube can take them like 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, depends. All right. So, but it doesn't mean that you starting today, you're gonna get up to 1,000 subscribers up by next month or by next 2 months. No, you are going to, most time it's going to take a while. All right, and depending on the niche you are going to, if you are going into a niche that is already saturated, it's going to be a little bit, it's going to take a little bit time for you to actually leverage up. Okay, but if you are going into a niche that has not gotten a lot of creators around it, all right, and have massive audience in the market, okay, so you like most likely grow well. All right, especially when you are going into AI kinds of niche these days. All right, if you are going into anything AI, content creating, animation, like anything AI these days is very, 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 very massive. Okay, so but now I'm going to be showing you how to create a YouTube channel. That's it. So if you want me to do video on how to find a niche and how to actually make videos and how to upload your video properly, there's going to be another different video for that. But for now, how to create your YouTube channel, and that is what we are going to be doing. Now, before we get started, you need to understand that to create a YouTube channel, you must first have an email address. Now, for a good YouTube channel, you need an email address that is an older email to create a YouTube channel. Okay, so that way you can get. It is easier for you to start getting views immediately, I believe, because for some reasons, I've discovered that have creating a YouTube channel under an email uh, that is older, it helps the channel health. Okay, so now it doesn't mean that you cannot create an email right now and then use that email to create a channel and then start uploading video and it should not grow. No, that's not what I mean. You understand? I mean that if you have an email that is an old email address, it is better to use that. Okay, just use that, or you can as well create a new Gmail account and then use it. Okay, so now let's dive into this video. All right, now when you come into your YouTube app. Okay, so I'm going to show you two ways to actually do this. All right, now you cannot entirely optimize your channel account through the mobile app itself. All right, but you can do some basic setting with the mobile app. While the optimizing of this channel, we are going to go to Chrome, the web version, and do some editing. Okay, now for me, if you have a PC, a laptop, computer, all right, it will be easier for you. But we can also use your phone to get a desktop version of YouTube. All right, so I will be showing you guys all that. Now, please, if this video is something you find interesting, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like the video. I mean, that's something you can use to compensate us for making this video. All right, now let's dive into it. Now when we'll get to YouTube, so you see that when you click on this your avatar here, you click on this place, okay, so it will take you to this place. Then you come to switch channel. All right. Now, if you have never used a YouTube app before, if you have never used YouTube app before, what will happen is you will be asked to do a search. Once you enter the app, all right, you'll be asked to log in. So the email that you use in that you created, or your email address that you want to use, you use it to log in, to sign up to YouTube. Once you sign up to YouTube, then you'll be able, when you click on your avatar here, you'll be able to see this place. Now, assuming that you have been using YouTube app before, all right, you already have an account on YouTube, but you don't have a channel. All right, so that is where you click this icon that I just showed you right now. This icon that I just showed you right now. Okay, so you click on it. Then when you come to this place, you see you see switch channel. You also see view channel. Now, for a new B, it will not be showing view channel. If it is a new channel that you have not created a channel on, if it is a new email address you have not created a channel on it, all right, it will not be showing view channel. It will be showing create channel or no subscribers. Create channel, I mean. So I will show you that. Let's use a new email as an example. So you come to, when you click on it now, we want to switch into a new email that has not been used before. Okay. So as you can see, notice that some of these email were at our Gmail account just now. All right. So you click on this particular Gmail has not been used before. You can see it's showing no channel. It's showing no channel. Okay, while others is showing no subscribers. The reason why it's showing no subscriber is because I have posted one or two things on this account before. All right, so whether I create a channel or not, the moment I use that email to post something, it automatically convert to channel. So I will not have to go and edit the channel to make it a proper channel, or I can just leave it and be uploading like that. Okay, but if you want to be a YouTuber, you need to do some optimization on your channel. All right, now let's continue. Now, as a new channel, that is what we are getting. We are getting this. This is a new channel. It has not been used for YouTube before. That is it. I log in this channel for the purpose of this video, and this email is uh for my business. All right, for my ads management business. Okay, so I run ads for people for their business. Okay, in case you want to patronize me, you want your business to grow, you want your business to reach out to as many people as possible, we do that for you. All right, there's one thing about running an ad. All right, you can run an ad to 10,000 people and not get any sales or not get any customers, but we run an ad to a specific kinds of people who are actually interested in your product, people who are actually looking for your product. All right, so when we run ads for you, you are guaranteeing to make sales. All right, we don't just run an ads, but we run an ads and get you your customer according to your product. Okay, so that is that. So in case you want to patronize us, all right, that's our email right there. Okay, that's our email right there. So the the link is still under description of this video. So let's click on this channel. All right, so when you click on this channel, this account, you see now we are on it. Now, for the first time, if you have not used that email before, you will not be it will not show you. The moment you click it like that, it will ask us to search for something to watch, so that the YouTube algorithm will understand what we are interested in, and then bring up videos that are related to the things that we searched on to our timeline. All right, so when I for the purpose of this video, I searched for business. That is why you are seeing business kinds of video right here. Okay, so now, another thing I want to just show you, one key point I want to show you here is that now, if you are into a comedy, if you are into just lifestyle video that couples, have fun and make videos about them, those kind of video, right? So you need to search for all this kind of video, and then you have them so that you will be able to see your competitors and see what they are doing. It will give you inspiration to do things according to how they are doing, give you inspiration to do things, to get ideas of what to make video about. Okay, so you do well to search for things, that the kinds of things that you want to be uploading video about. All right, so that as you see them, you get ideas and make videos. I don't know if you get my point. So that is that. Now we click on the. I know this video is going to be very long, but I'll try my best to, cut it short as I can. Now that we have gotten, as you can see, you notice now that it's showing us create, like I said before. Instead of showing us a channel, it's now showing create channel. That's because this account has not been created. This channel has not been created under this email. All right. Now, if we click on that, it will take us to an option where we can start editing our channel. All right. Now, you remember that I told you guys that you cannot do a lot of editing on this channel. As you can see here, you notice now that it said you put in your profile picture, okay, the name of the channel and the handle of the channel. All right. Now after that, you hit create. Now let's assume we want to create the channel. Now from here we can just put in something like that we'll use that same image. All right, we'll use that same image. Let's use that same image. Okay, so we put the channel name is going to be JDC Graphics. Okay, that's the channel name. All right, then that's the handle. The handle has automatically edited itself. Now if you want a specific kind of handle, you can also edit the handle. All right, but since I like it like that, as you can see, it's showing me that it's okay. All right, if it's something that is not okay, to be showing red here, all right, since it's showing green, it means it's okay, it's work, it's available. All right, so we can use it, then we save it. All right, then you click on create channel. All right, now we have created our channel. Now, even though it's showing here that we don't have any image here, okay, we don't have any image here. That's because we did not add images now, but we can add image now. If you to do that, that is to come back to your channel, you click on this icon again. You click on this icon again. Okay, you click on it. You click on switch. Channel. I mean, click on view channel. Okay, when you click on view channel, now you are here. Now you see this pen here. You click on it to edit some other editing you want to edit on the channel. You click on it. Now when you click on it, you can see that you have other options to edit your channel, like adding the channel descriptions, turning off or turning on your privacy, and then putting a background, a banner picture. Now, what is a banner picture? I will show you what a banner picture is now, and your profile picture, the difference. Now let's put a profile picture so that it will not be showing this J. It will not be showing this J again. It will not be showing this J here again. All right. So let's put a profile picture. I want to put this, and then go to gallery, and don't those images, I used it to design something, so don't be hungry of those things you are seeing there. Okay, so now this is it. Okay, we set. All right, now for the banner. All right, well, let's take this and go to I know there's a specific size of images the YouTube requires on your banner and your image, but I don't know if this one will work. But let me just go and let me just take this one. Okay, let's see if it will work. All right, so I guess it did not. Okay, let's just take this place. Let's take this place. Let's take that place and save. All right, so as you can see, that is that. Now I believe you are beginning to understand what a channel banner is. So you can then add in description, so what your channel is about. All right, if you don't know how to get a channel description, all right, or how to get a good title for your video, a good name for your channel, all right, or title whatever, you can use ChatGPT, right? ChatGPT, I'm talking about this particular app here, Chat GPT. Okay, you can use this guy to do anything you want to do about YouTube. Get your title, get a good channel name, get a channel description, hashtag to your videos, and all of that. You can get it from here. All right. So that is that from the app version of creating your channel. I hope you understand what I've just done. Okay, I hope you understand. So you can add a description like let us, okay, something very very short. Okay, then something like just something that describe what you do on the channel. Okay, and then you click save. Now you can see we have done that. Now you can choose to turn this off or on. This shows the numbers of subscribers you have. Okay, so if you turn it off, people will not be able to know how many subscribers you have. Okay, if you turn it on as it is like this, now people will be able to know how many subscribers you've got. Okay, so you can decide to turn it off or turn it on. All right, so that's led for you. All right, so that's that for this part of the video. All right, now to do the proper optimization of this channel before you start promoting video. Now to upload video, you just have to click on this plus button. Now let's go to Chrome and do the remaining editing of this channel. Then we can call it a day. All right, now